Hey there, everybody. I'm CNYcentral First Alert meteorologist Matt Stevens. Hope this early part of the weekend is going well for you. Tell you what, if you're doing any traveling early on this morning, anywhere in upstate New York, there's some locally dense fog that has developed, and make sure you give yourself some extra time if you are going to head out and about. We're expecting that to lift away and give way to a mix of sun and clouds by probably midday and into this afternoon. 31 degrees is considered a typical high for this time of year, but this is a big part of our weather story today. We're looking for a high temperature in near record territory. 57 is the record high. That was set back in 1932. I'm suspecting that we end up within 3 or 4 degrees of that. I'm officially forecasting a high of 54 degrees for the Syracuse-Hancock Airport today. Combination of a few breaks of sun and a little warmer push of air building in as well. Our low temperature, 16 degrees typically this time of the year. I'm suspecting that we end up probably well above that once again late tonight and into first thing Sunday morning. I doubt that many of us even drop below freezing. That's how mild I think we are overnight. Minus 25, that's our record low. That was set back in 1982. Sunrise 7:34, sunset 4:52. Yesterday, just shy of 2/10 of an inch of rain at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport brings us up to just about 1/3 of an inch of rain for this early part of 2013. And snowfall-wise, of course, nothing new once again. 39.3 inches of snow thus far at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport for this snowfall season. And how does that stack us up? Well, taking a little closer look at the snowfall situation. This year there's at 39.3. Typically we'd have about 54.2 inches of snow by this part of the snowfall season. So we are lacking a little bit. Looks to be about 15 inches or so below average. And then our last year at this time, we had 12.9 inches of snow at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport. So we're doing remarkably better this year compared to how we were doing it this time last year. Here's a futurecast picked up at 8 this morning. Going to run this out through the middle of today. Early clouds, drizzle and fog, then a few breaks of sun developing as we get into midday and into this afternoon. Projected highs, of course, well above average for this time of the year. By the way, the last time we hit the 50s was back in December, on December 10th, when we hit a high in the 50s at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport. Hour by hour through this evening, clouds on the increase, especially late tonight. I think we're into a couple showers by first thing tomorrow morning. However, with a cold front very slowly, if not nearly stalled out, just off to our west, I'm thinking that we don't really have a large amount of rain in the works for the daylight hours Sunday. I'm thinking we're in and out of a couple showers, maybe some light, steady periods of rain. I'm suspecting the heavy, steady rain begins to fall Sunday night into Monday morning. The reason for that, the actual boundary is going to approach us. It's going to move in Sunday night, and a wave of energy and moisture sliding along that should coincide with the frontal passage here in central New York, so it's a perfect conglomerate of factors that should help to bring us into periods of moderate to heavy rain for Sunday night. Here's my hour-by-hour forecast heading through midday. We'll call it mid-40s. Early clouds, drizzle and fog, then a few breaks of sun developing. Winds are out of the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour, helping boost us up to a high of 54 degrees. Hour by hour through this evening. Partly cloudy skies, giving way to mostly cloudy skies and a couple hit or miss showers. Turning breezy late tonight. Temperatures stagnant and then moving up to the mid-40s again by first thing tomorrow morning. Here's my 7-day. Breezy, 59 mild degrees for Sunday. In and out a couple hit or miss showers. Periods of rain, moderate at times Sunday night. Tapering off as rain, snow, mixed showers as that cold front moves through. Turning cooler for Monday. Breezy at 37 degrees, 37 Tuesday with partly sunny skies.